go dtí a ceach Gaeilge inniu. Tá muid fós ag caint faoi an fia rua, the red deer. We're still talking about the red deer. So we're going to lay on scale, read the story, agus fragar na ceistena. Fragar na ceistena. An caithfidh tú an fragar a rogha, tá rogha agat agus caithfidh tú an fragar ceart a piocha amach. So you're given a choice for the answers. You have to pick out the correct one and write it into your copy. So I'm going to lay an scale inish an fiú. Gam le scale níl an title an Victor seo. The title is not on this photo. It seems to be cropped out, but it's on fiú. Is anmhí an mhór an fiú. Coníonn an fiú in éireann. Coníonn an fiú sna sléifte. So a lot of information that's the same as yesterday. Ólas céine, the same ólis céine. An a bhór, so níl anmhethe beag, ní anmhethe beag é. It's not a small animal. It's anmhethe an a bhór, big é. Coníonn an fiú in éireann, lives in éireann. Coníonn an fiú sna sléifte. Bíonn agla an bhia rua ribh ghine, tain sé I bhulach má ecin sé daoine. So bíonn agla, so it's in the present tense. So they are afraid, agla, in front of or before people, as in front of people. Tain sé I bhulach, they go into hiding. I bhulach, in hiding. They go into hiding if má they see, so it's in the present tense, má ecin, not conic, that would be the past. Má ecin sé daoine, if they see people they hide. Maran a lán fianna sa fórc náisiúnta I gcilárne I cunde piri. Maran means to live or survive or exist. That's what maran means, the verb mar, M-A-I-R. And this is in the I'm sure Loirach or the current or the gach law, the present, right now. It's not in the past. So the verb is M-A-I-R, mar, to exist or to live or to last, and it's in the present. So they exist, a lot of them, in the national park, the Parc Náisiúnta, I gcilárne, so that's Killarney, I gunde Kiri. I wonder, can you guess what county that is? The map might help you there. Coníonn an fiú I dtíorthaí eile fud an domhan freisin. Cúpla frásí iontach anseo, lovely phrases in here. So they live, the red deer lives I dtíortha eile in other countries. This is the plural of countries. Tír, T-I for the R, is one country. Tíortha, without the D, means countries. The reason the D is here, the uru, is because it comes after I. You always put an uru after I. I dtíortha eile. And this is a lovely phrase, fud an domhan, across the world. Fud an domhan as well. So it lives in Ireland, it lives in Ireland as we know here, but it lives in other countries across the world as well. Ní ihin an fiú fiol, doesn't need fuel, meat. Ihin an fiú plandaí, fair agus turthaí. Fruit, grass, plants. Bíonn beanna an via firin. So the male firin, fia has the antlers, the bana. Ní bhíonn bana an via banan. So the female banan. None. Fós an beanna nua, an via firin gach bhliain. So they grow. Antlers grow, new antlers grow on the male deer every year. Tosíonn na beanna ag fós san arog. The antlers begin to grow in spring. Bíonn beanna móra an via firin ag tús an ór. Fásann na beanna go tapa. Uaireanta fásann siad orlach gach lá. So, bíonn beanna móra an via firin ag tús an ór. So the big antlers are on the male deer ag tús at the start on or at the start of autumn. So autumn is getting a H on or, and that's why I'm not pronouncing the F, because FH, it's like it's silent and not there. So it's just like it's starting with O fada, or. So for is autumn, but on or. Fás in the bianna go tapa, the antlers grow really quickly. Uanta fásan siad orlach gach lá. Sometimes she'd grow orlach, which is an inch, gach lá, it's a measurement, an inch. So every day they grow an inch. Bíonn fia óg ag an via banan san arach no sa Sarah. So young deer are had by the female deers in spring, no in summer. Bíonn an fia óg in ann siúil agus ri tar éis cúpla uair an chloig ar an sail. So the young deer, being sé in ann, is able to walk, siúil, and run after tar éis cúpla, couple of hours on cloig, hours on the clock of their life. So within hours of being alive, they're able to run and walk. Fanan an fia óg lena bmháthair go dtí go mbíonn sé bliain díos. So the young deer stays lena bmháthair with his mother. So they're talking about a male one here. It'd be lena máthair if it was a female. Lena bmháthair for male, lena máthair for female. Go dtí go mbíonn sé bliain díos, until he is one. Nuair a bhíonn an fia óg bliain díos, when he is one, bíonn sé ré chun a bmháthair a ágáil. He is ready to leave his mother. Okay? Seo é an scéal faoin fia rua. Inis, caithfidh tú na ceistena a ragart I do chópleabhar. So seo iad na ceistena an fia rua. Iver a hain, an anmhí beag é an fia rua. Beag, small. Is it this answer? Is anmhí beag é an fia rua? Yes, it is a small animal. Or is it B? Ní anmhí beag é an fia rua. Now, I do not want you just to write one and then B or one A into your copy. I want you to scribh an Albert Umlawn, the full sentence, to help you practice and be a clock through the grammar of the phrases. So, ní anmhí beag é an fia rua is the answer to this one. It's not a small animal, okay, because in box 1 it says it's an omnivore. So it's B. So you're going to scribh ní anmhí beag é an fia rua I do chópleabhar. Iver do, an gcónaíonn an fia rua in Éireann. Does it live in Ireland? Cónaíonn an fia rua in Éireann? Ní chónaíonn an fia rua in Éireann. Scribh an Albert ceart I do chópleabhar. An gcónaíonn an fia rua sna sléifte. Does it live in the mountains? Cónaíonn an fia rua sna sléifte, nó ní chónaíonn an fia rua sna sléifte. Peoch an freagar ceart agus scribh isteach é I do chópleabhar. Iver car an gcónaíonn an fia rua I dtíorthaí eile ar fud an domhan. Does it live in other countries across the world? Cónaíonn or ní chónaíonn? Peoch an freagar ceart. Scribh I do chópleabhar. An ihin an fia rua fiol. Does it eat meat? Ihin an fia rua fiol, nó ní ihin an fia rua fiol. Peoch amach an freagar ceart agus scribh an freagar Homlan I do chópleabhar. So pick out the correct answer and write the whole answer I do chópleabhar. An éhan an fia rua turkey, does it eat fruit? Sha, yeah, or éhan, no ní éhan. An mian biana ar an via firin, bíon biana, no ní bhíon biana ar an via firin. An mian biana ar an via banan, bíon, no ní bhíon. An bhás an biana nua ar an via firin gach bhliain. Do antlers grow every year on the male deer? Fás an biana nua ar an via firin gach bhliain or ní? Peoch an freagar ceart agus scribh isteach é I do chópleabhar. Agus an ceann dearnach iver de, an mian a lán fianna rua sa fork náisiúnta I Gaeilge I gunda chirí. Are there a lot of deer? This is the plural. So fia a one fia. Fianna is the plural for deer. So I know in English we say one deer, two deer. It doesn't change. In Irish, that's one deer, fia, and fianna is more than one. So are there a lot of deer, red deer, sa fork náisiúnta the National Park i Gaeilge i gContae Cuirí. Féach ar busca at 3 chun an ceist seo a freagar. Look at box 3 to answer that question. Busca at 3. Bíon a lán fion a ruas sa fórc náisiúnta i Gaeilge i gContae Cuirí, or ní bhíon a lán fion a ruas sa fórc náisiúnta i Gaeilge i gContae Cuirí. So, if we're hanging go dtí de, scríomh an abort lán, the full sentence i the chópleabhar, agus lé an scéal, read the story. Don't forget, if you did sign up to Duolingo on your phone or iPad or anything like that at home, to maybe practice your Irish on that, it would be really beneficial, I think, especially for the listening part of it, because you hear people reading in Irish, and just to get it on your ear, or even spend a little bit of time watching the Cúla Cathair, like the teaching from home thing, or even a cartoon or anything like that, can really help just to get you kind of listening to Irish, because it's kind of difficult to teach the whole lesson through Irish, when I'm not in person, because I can't point to pictures, etc. So I do have to use quite a bit of English, which is not ideal. So just any opportunity you have to try and listen to that extra bit of Irish would really, really help. Best of luck, Ganari Liv agus Slán.